Welcome back to our Excel Basics course. Today we're going to unlock the power of panel font to help you make your spreadsheet data stand out and look more professional. This lesson will show you how to turn raw data into a visually appealing and easy to read format. So let's get started. You might have noticed that when you first enter data into Excel, it often looks plain, dull, and hard to scan. This can make it challenging to find important figures or understand the overall story your data is telling. By learning how to format fonts effectively, you can highlight key numbers and make your spreadsheet much easier to read and navigate. Let's begin by exploring the font styles available in Excel. You can use bold text to make important values stand out, italics to emphasize certain labels, and underlines to draw attention to specific parts of your table. Excel even gives you the option for single or double underlines if you need an extra layer of emphasis. Knowing how to use these simple tools can help guide the reader's attention to where it's needed most. After that, we'll learn how to adjust the alignment of text within your cells. Center alignment is a popular choice when you want a clean, balanced look across your table. You can also change the font family to give your spreadsheet a fresh, modern feel. Whether you prefer the timeless look of Times New Roman or want to try something more current like Calibri or Arial, it's easy to customize the style to match your preference. We'll also cover how to use color coding in your spreadsheet. This is a simple yet powerful way to communicate information visually. For example, you might want to highlight low revenue figures in red to signal caution, while using a soft green background to indicate growth or success. By using colors thoughtfully, you can create an immediate visual contrast that helps you and others quickly interpret the data without needing to read every number in detail. When you apply these formatting techniques, your spreadsheet transforms from bland and boring to clean, clear, and professional. It makes your reports easier to read, more visually appealing, and much more effective at communicating your message. Thanks for watching. Keep exploring our videos to deepen your Excel skills and learn more ways to make your data presentation shine. With each new skill you learn, you'll become more confident in creating impressive and professional spreadsheets.